made this shirt.
Hi, Mom.
Shirt I made. And welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a change of scenery. We're actually in my bedroom right now and this is my beautiful tapestry. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made the Ariana Grande DIY merch shirt, and I'm super excited to show you guys how to do it if you have a Cricut at home, or even if you have like iron-on, like I don't know what they sell at Michael's, but they have those things where, you know, you could just iron on a design. You could easily do something like this. It's very simple and I love the way it came out. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did that, and I'm also going to be showing you guys a little bit of the Ariana Grande concert. Me and my friend Nicole are going to the Ariana Grande concert tonight and we are speechless. She is amazing. She's been one of my favorite singers for a very long time now, so I'm really excited to see her tonight. So come follow me to my office right now and I'll show you guys how to do that. So I just really didn't feel like putting my tripod up today. So I have my mat right here and I have my HTV vinyl. So we are going to take the scissors and we are going to cut this into about, I don't know what this is, like 2 inches and like 2 by 10 inches. So that's what we're gonna do. So let me put this down and I will be right back. Okay, hi. I don't know if you can tell really on the camera, but this isn't the shiny side. This is, so we have to put this face down on the mat right here. I really want to invest in like a good roller or something, so let me know if any of you guys, if you have Cricuts at home, let me know because I really want to get one. Okay, so she's all done. And now we're gonna get to weeding. I will weld this off camera and then I will show you guys how to put this on the shirt. Okay guys, so I just weeded this and it looks so amazing. So I have my Cricut Easy Press right here. I need my Cricut mat and the t-shirt would be nice, right? Right. It'll be on this black t-shirt that I have right here. This is so hard to do one-handed, I'm so sorry. So we are going to do, it's 305 degrees with 15 seconds. I usually have to do more. Oh, look, and it's already heated to 305, so it's just gonna keep heating up until then, and it'll let me know when it's ready. Okay, I'm back, so it is officially heated up. I just put my t-shirt right here. As it heats up, I like to take this. Okay, that's good. I like to just take the heat press and like kind of lightly iron to get like the wrinkles out and to remove all moisture. And then this is all set. Most people do like the 3-finger rule where they go right here and that's where they usually start it. But since I have tiny hands and I tried this on before, I like how the 4-finger looks actually, so I'm gonna put it right there. So I'm going to kind of make sure that it's in the middle of everything, and it looks pretty straight to me. But I just like to make sure that it's as close to the seam. So I like where it is. I'm gonna kind of press it down just to make sure that it's right there. We are going to do it now, and yeah. I like to do it again personally because I order stretch vinyl and it takes a little bit longer to, I guess, adhere to the shirt. I'm gonna do it one more time and then I'm gonna flip it over. Alright, so now I think we can rip it off. Oh, beautiful. This is so freaking cute.
Right now we're getting brown bags.
Like the little ones are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, so we are driving to the train station right now. I totally forgot to what? I'm just talking to my fans, my 111 subscribers. That's great.
Oh, you broke 100.
I know.
Drink to
Cheers
that.
to that. So I made this shirt. I'll zoom in on my boob, lol. And then I made Nicole's shirt, which I showed you guys earlier. Alright, signing off. Hey everyone, this is Nicole. I made it! Oh, this is her shirt.
Hi,
this
Mom.
Is her shirt I made. So we're waiting for the train right now. My hair is frizzing up. Our train's here. Bye! Thank you next, bye. Wanna say hi? Can't wait. You're not focused. There you go. So we just got home from the Ariana Grande concert. It was so good. She was so amazing. I'm so happy we went. We are in the process of doing the floor. Clearly with all the hammering in the back. But look at the floor. The boys behind the work.
Who make all of this possible.
We wrote the floor. I wish I recorded it earlier. Someone wrote, what was it, Rich and Elaine?
Yeah.
It was 1990.
Oh, this is a box.